Gammal Tech specializes in teaching online computer programming courses for native Arabic speakers. We offer computer science courses online from start to finish and guarantee full support throughout the entire course. This includes a solid computer science background and essential foundational principles to write secure and efficient software. Finally, we offer workshops guiding our members on how to apply these skills in their respective career fields. The number one thing we hear from previous trainees, some who have had 5 years of experience in programming, say they are able to write software twice as efficient as they were able to write before. At Gammal Tech, we are transforming the future of programming in the Arabic-speaking community. All that's necessary is a willingness to learn and determination to succeed.